Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vakas Tech. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone always on display on but not working. Many of people complain that their always on display not working. So in this video I will show you how you can always on display if you want to turn it on and it's not working. So let's start video without wasting any time. As you can see, this is iPhone 15 Pro Max. Right now we are checking this always on display. Tap on settings. Okay, in settings section you need to scroll down below. Okay, you can see appearance on screen, display and brightness. Tap on that. Okay, scroll down below, you can see appears on screen always on display is on, but when we try to use that, you can see screen is goes black and it's not working. So how to fix this kind of issue? First of all, you need to make sure close your iPhone settings app. After close the iPhone settings, you need to tap on again settings app. Okay, after tapping you need to select here battery. You can see appears on screen battery showing here right now here. Okay, after that you can see appears on screen, make sure your iPhone low power mode is turned off. Okay, if it's turned on, just turn it off and then go back again, open iPhone display again. Okay, now you can see appears on screen always on display is on. Now try to use that. Okay, you can see appears on screen this time always on display is working well. So after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix this issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.